Acha, Subha say we've been talking to the team of Steak by CFU, and now we finally get to talk to the man who had the vision that we're standing in currently. How are you, Mr. Salman?
Very well, very well.
So the million-dollar question is, what does CFU stand for?
So basically, CFU is our principal company, where it all got started, and we do import of perishable item and do B2B business in that company. And when we wanted to open a steak house, so it had to be under the name of CFU.
Yeah.
So that's how it started. CFU is catch for you.
Catch for you.
Yeah.
How interesting. So कितने time पहले आपने ये business start किया?
कराची में हमें 4.5 साल हो चुके हैं.
और ये आपका पहला business था?
And this was the first steak house.
Okay.
और इसके बाद हमने 2 शहरों में और खोला है, but अभी हमें कराची में 4.5 हो चुके हैं साल.
Okay. तो अब इतने सारे businesses निकल रहे हैं which have steak houses in their name. What makes you so different?
So हमारी niche जो है या USP आप बोल लें वो ये है कि we do aging on the meat. Aging on the meat जैसे पहले marination होती थी, that is out of the window now.
Okay.
अब aging है, तो aging आप एक मीट को एज करते हैं for a certain day, फिर इसको क्योर करते हैं, और अभी भी 4.5 साल में we don't have any competition. And
Really?
Yeah, we're the only one who does that.
I do remember when you guys started सबसे पहले
Yeah.
reservation बिल्कुल भी नहीं मिलती थी.
Yeah, reservation अभी भी कम है वैसे, but मिलती मुश्किल से है. But yes, people love the idea because the process, what the meat goes through, eventually बहुत tender हो जाता है वो,
Okay.
and it is very tasty. It actually melts in your mouth.
It's like a fine dine experience.
It's like
on
a
steak.
fine dining experience, and we wanted to bring something to the market, to Pakistan basically, जो हम अपने local meat को promote करें और अपनी local चीज़ को आगे लेके जाएं. और अभी जो हम अपने local meat के साथ कर रहे हैं, maybe down the road we can go abroad and have this this thing in another city or in another country and do this with our meat.
Yeah.
Because हमारा local meat tough होता है.
Okay, so but I want to know about how you started off with the team. How did you make this vision come to life?
So basically, in my previous life, when I was doing something else, so I was a banker for 18 years, and I was private banker, so I had a lot of travel. So I learned this thing back in France. There's a concept called aging the meat, which was very interesting. Nobody knew about it. Even I didn't knew about it, like 7, 8 years, 10 years back. And I saw that. I went to another country, Dubai. I saw that,
And you learned about it.
and I
basically.
learned about it.
Yeah.
So then, हमारा जो main consultant है, who's also our head chef, Khurram Rashid. So he was living in London at that time. I went to him. मैंने कहा भाई आओ हम कुछ करते हैं.
अच्छा.
हम local meat के साथ कुछ experiment करते हैं.
एक खाब था जिसको life play.
Yeah, it was totally something जो हमें नहीं पता था किसका result क्या निकलेगा. And trust me, it took us 6 months.
Yeah.
To get to the right recipe, and when it came and voila, we decided.
That's when you were like, let's open it up. We got it.
Let's do this. We were already into a food business by that time under the name of CFU.
Yeah.
And we'd start doing it, and we started very small.
Yeah.
So this place started as an 8-seater restaurant.
Yeah.
And इतना overwhelming response आना शुरू हुआ.
I'm sure.
And people loved it because we have like this specific presentation जो आप लोग अभी दिखाएंगे.
Yeah.
और उसके ऊपर the meat itself, यानी कि quality of the meat is supreme.
Yeah. Acha, so Salman, tell us about the interior of this restaurant, and do your other branches also follow the same theme?
It's a steak house. अगर आप दुनिया में कहीं भी जाएं तो वो थोड़ा सा vintage look होनी चाहिए उसकी.
Yeah.
Yes, we have a dark and vintage. You can see all this wood. And keep it basic rather than make it fancy.
Yeah.
So आप हमारे अगर लाहौर वाले और इस्लामाबाद में जाएं, which is way fancier than this because this was our ground zero in day one. But we've learned ourselves. पहले के बाद जब आप दूसरी चीज स्टार्ट करते हो, जब तीसरी चीज स्टार्ट करते हो तो आपके पूरे एक learning experience होता है. So we learning, and the interior was done by us, and.
Like your own project.
Like my own baby project.
Yeah,
okay, nothing. I mean, like the paint and the wood and the table.
It has a very cabin feel to this one.
Yeah, because we wanted it like this. I mean, basic with lovely food, and and हमारा जो एक main focus है, that is top customer service,
Let the food speak for itself.
and
basically.
let the food speak for itself.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
So what do you look for जब आप team hire कर रहे होते हैं? So what do you look for when you're hiring a team?
Okay, the perfect team is the more you get involved with your team,
Yeah.
they become perfect. So हमारा apart from the consultant, that's why we have a consultant on board. और हम लोग prefer करते हैं कि off the market उठाएं ताकि उनकी कोई mental blockage नहीं हो learning की, and then you train them and then you keep on giving them
So you
rotations.
have a training period for
Yeah,
this as
we
well.
have a
Of
training
course,
period,
okay.
we have a rotation period, and then we teach them. Everybody should know everything, and there's a backup to a backup
Yeah.
for a continuous
For sure.
best customer service. So, and you know, when you treat your team like that, when you give them importance, they take care of you. We're 3 branches running.
Mashallah.
Karachi, Islamabad, Lahore. इसी hierarchy में हमने खोली है.
One in each, right?
One in each city. अभी हम एक exclusive by CFU कराची DHL में खोलने जा रहे हैं. Pay date
Soon,
में.
I'm assuming.
It's very soon. और वो अगेन जिस तरह हमने ये एक नई चीज लेके आए थे मार्केट के लिए,
Yeah.
something exclusive, उसका नाम भी है exclusive by CFU.
Alright.
So in that we will give you something which is out of the box. People have not experienced in Pakistan. Something really different, and it's going to be a super fine dining, like top
More
notch.
than this.
So our concept is to become to Michelin star restaurant in Pakistan, and that's our vision is basically.
Is Michelin in Pakistan? Is
No,
that
there is no Michelin.
There's no Michelin
No,
yet,
there's
right?
no Michelin,
Yeah, that's
and
what
there's like a very lengthy process to become one of them.
Yeah.
And
That's the goal in the end of the
that's
day.
the goal in the end of the day. We need to have a vision. हमने करना
Yeah.
क्या? It's not
ठीक
opening
है.
branches. It's superior quality and इतनी existence हो कि हम internationally be recognized हो.
Well, we can't wait for it. Thank you so much, Salman. It was lovely talking to
It
you.
was lovely.
अब हम चलेंगे मेरे favorite segment पे, which is tasting the food. So come on, let's go try it.